Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is fine. Today in this episode we're diving into the elegant world of model who perfectly blends classic charm with modern fashion, the stunning Dolly. Known for her love of nylon and high heels, Dolly is a true symbol of timeless beauty. Let's explore her biography, wake a lifestyle and some amazing facts. Dolly began her journey into fashion with passion for elegance and detail. From an early age, she was drawn into classic glamour, soft fabric polished look, and of course stunning nylon and heels. Though she keeps her personal life private, Dolly's rise in the modeling world has tender and graceful. Her poised presence and polished look make her favorite in photoshoots that celebrate femininity, elegance, vintage vibes, and bold confidence. She has become an online sensation known for her carefully curated outfit and incredible charm. Dolly's signature style always includes nylon paired with high heels, a look she has made iconic in her own way. She celebrated classic hosiery with sheer ticks, glossy pintoys, and retro-inspired pairings that bring sophistication to every frame. Her heels always elegant, from pointed stilettos or vintage pumps, whether it's for casual post or professional shoot. Dolly proves that timeless style never joys of fashion. She is a muse for those of appreciate the art of dressing well and styling elegant at any age. Beyond the camera, Dolly lives a calm, classic lifestyle. She finds joy in little things from choosing Trader's beautiful shows to soft textures and vintage fashion magazine. Her life reflects her aesthetic, graceful, polished and feminine. She is often seen enjoying slow morning, peaceful walks and fashion moments that feel right out of classic mode. She is not chasing trends, she is creating beauty. That's what makes Dolly so special to her fans. And that's all for today's video about the evening Dolly, a true icon of nylon health and timeless style. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.